been a no-code developer for most of the last 11, 12 years, starting with WordPress and following that up with Bolt.io, among other no-code tools. But yesterday, I discovered a brand new tool that really blew my mind. There's nothing compared to this. And that tool is called Bolt.New. Bolt.New is an AI tool that allows you to build complete websites from the very beginning all the way down to publishing your website. And it's done by prompting the system to do exactly what you need it to do. As an example, yesterday night I was developing a CRM and it did a fairly good job at doing exactly what I wanted to do. Granted, I had to go back and forth trying to explain exactly what I wanted to do, perhaps because of a language barrier. I'm from Puerto Rico, I speak Spanish as my first language, but I like to prompt AI in English. So there's still that a little bit that I need to work on. But it's doing a really good job at doing exactly what I needed to do at building the exact aspects of the app that I wanted to do. And I would like to show you exactly what you need to drop what you're doing with no code, drop what you're doing with WordPress, and get on Bolt.New. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Before we continue, I will ask you for just one thing. If you like my videos, please consider liking. It helps me reach more people and spread the word about these amazing tools that are out there that allow you to build your ideas and turn them into realities. That's number one. Number two, if you really want to help me, please help me reach 500 followers. And you can do that by subscribing to the channel. By you subscribing, it helps me get closer to my goal of 500 subscribers by the end of the year, 1,000 subscribers by next year. So please consider doing that. But with that being said, I'm not going to continue wasting your time. Let's go right into Bolt. All right, here we are in Bolt. And for those of you that might be wondering, right now I'm using Art. That's my favorite browser. It's really easy to use and it got everything that I need in one place. But talking about Bolt, we are in the front page. So basically, once you log in, this is where it takes you. Actually, once you go to Bolt.New, this is where it takes you. Really similar to ChatGPT. Basically, you're going to have a, move this out of the way, an input box where you can input the prompt and it will give you some suggestions where you can start and you can also select which technology stack you want to use. I have a prompt that we're going to use, and this prompt basically is going to build a website that is going to be really similar to, not very similar, but it's going to be a blog website for security cameras. It will have some programmatic SEO among other things to help us rank high on Google. Cool thing about Bolt is that it can build everything for you, from the content to the design, and it can even help you push your website to life. As you can tell, it's working on the code as we are speaking. It's writing everything for you, so you don't need to worry about it, about anything in reality. And the cool thing about it is that once it finished building everything, it will make sure that it's looking for any errors that might be happening. And if it finds any errors, it would prompt you to let you know that, hey, we found this error that might prevent you from shipping. And you can ask the system, you can ask Bolt to fix it for you. So with that being said, we will let it finish this course and I will be back so I don't waste your time on looking at this. It is done. So as you can see, let's make this a little bit bigger. As you can see, it created few reviews. It created categories. It created some articles. Let's see if we can read those reviews. Unfortunately, we cannot read the reviews. Let's see if we, okay. So from here, we will prompt the system, and I will show you how we can do the continuation. So great. Now, please, the categories page. And Now it's going to take it from here to create the categories page to ensure that when we click on any of the categories, is actually taking us to a page. So it understands how to do the whole continuation, make sure that it's staying on topic, is staying on task. There is a whole lot of stuff that this thing do for you that you don't really need to know how to code. You can push exactly what the system is building for you forward into production. So let's take a look. Okay. So let's tell it 404 when I take on the hurries page. Make sure link each category widget come on the homepage. Basically, right now we're telling, hey, like my click is not doing anything. Make sure you fix that for me, which is working on right now. And by the way, I'm on the free plan. I'm not even paying for this. As you can tell, is saying, hey, I can subscribe to Pro or 66 times more usage. So this is super cool. I'm doing it on the free plan. I get 100,000 tokens for free per day. And this is not only available to me, this is available to you too. I'm not even an affiliate to them. I'm not recommending this product because I have something to win out of it. I'm recommending this product because it's legitimately the coolest thing I had seen in the whole entire year. And I have seen some cool shit in some cool stuff. Some cool stuff in AI this year. But this is taking it to the next level. So let's see. All right. So now it's taking me to the categories page. And now here we have all the categories that it created for me. Let's try a different one. I didn't create that one. All right. So we told that to link it from the home page. So that's why. Yep. So wireless security cameras, going back, outdoor. Yep. Outdoor. Really cool. It is doing what I am asking it to do. With that being said, this is not the only thing that it can do. It can do many things. So I'm using it for a website just because it's the most simple example that I can provide. But yesterday I was playing with it and I was developing a CRM software. So it has some pages, screens that I had already built for the email campaigns, for the contacts. I can actually, no, I didn't build that. I can actually add contact to it. It has that continuation. You can build a full-blown SaaS using this program without having to worry about no code, whether or not you're learning it or paying a developer or getting a co-founder that is knowledgeable on writing code, a technical co-founder. Perhaps you can build your own MVP, minimum viable product, using this. And then from there, you can get the funding to actually go and get what you need, whether that is a developer that works for you or a freelancer or something along those lines. With that being said, this is the first of a video series that I'm putting together using Bolt. I would like to show you exactly how I'm going to be building software or websites using Bolt and try to rank them on Google for those websites or try to get customers for the software. I should have said ranking on Google for the blogs. With that being said, I would really love if you are back for some of the other videos. Subscribe and like this video. I will be giving away everything that I built using Bolt.New. Everything that is built on this video series will be given away. And I will be putting a form for those of you that want to be considered to receive this. So if you are one of those, I will be putting a link down below for the form. Enter your information and I will consider you for it. With that being said, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I hope to see you on the next video.